I'm very happy to be in Aruba, and today we have an excellent meeting between the Aruba National Olympic Committee and also the Aruba Aquatics. We have discussed the current program for the aquatics and how to find a way that the World Aquatics can give support to Aruba Aquatics to reach a higher level at the World Championship and the future Olympic Games. And the program in Aruba for aquatics is there, the base is there, but I think it's need more technical support for the coaches, more continuation for the athletes, especially after 8 years, and more international competition. World Aquatics is ready to give full support to Aruba because it's a serious work here is going on, and I think from today we will move forward to support Aruba to reach the Olympic Games in aquatics and also at the World Championship. Thank you very much for hosting us.